Let's go crypto investing in another emergency update today. As you can see, Bitcoin's now down nearly 6% or $2,200. And that's all because what the Fed did yesterday, people got a little bullish when they said they wouldn't do 75 basis points at the next two meetings, the next June and August. But they didn't say that wasn't on the table. They just said they weren't discussing that right now, and the market took that as bullish. But then they wake up today and see, nope, that's ultra bearish. Treasury yields are rising, interest rates are rising, and you can see Apple is getting suppressed, but Bitcoin is down 6.59%. And we gave you that warning yesterday, a Fed-induced pump based on the market already putting in a 50 basis point hike, and then seeing how the Fed spoke, right? That would give the market a false bear trap, right? The criminal gangsters that I talk about that have infiltrated the trading market, United States government and Federal Reserve, in order to manipulate the stock market, the gold and silver bullion market. We called that out on this bounce on the way down off this blue ring. And then yesterday we said we could have a quick bounce up, possibly to 40,589, but more likely the 200-day. And then they would give you the rug pull. And I've termed it the hook-nosed Jew bearish reversal pattern. And you can see that's played out beautifully. And now what you need to watch is, can you try to get any buyers? This is very critical right now. Can you get any buyers along this top height of this white support box in this blue ring? If not, like I told you before, you're coming all the way down to this orange ring, and that's at 11% or $4,000 drop. And that's where you would go next if you can't get any kind of buyers in this area. And that's the extremeness that we're talking about in this market that I've been warning about in this market. XRP is the same thing. We went over this ad nauseum and extensively. To anybody that's been watching my channel, you know what we thought was going on here from this symmetrical triangle that we're in for 12 months, almost 13 months. If we zoom in, we want the daily right here. You see that symmetrical. And then when we broke down out of that, if we zoom in now, you can see we told you how we diagnosed, sniffed out, and detected. When you flushed, back tested this, got rejected now, but used to be lower support, became upper resistance, and it flushed. And that was a classic hook-nosed Jew bearish reversal pattern of a pattern breakdown confirmation where you break down, have some volume, come back up and hit it beautifully and get rejected. And we told you we're coming straight back down to 61 cents. And then we put this line right here from this first bottom where the green arrow is as we zoom in as a possible bounce point and a rejection point, a bounce point off the 61 green ring, but then that would be your upper rejection point at 68 cents or the 200-day. And we hit the 200-day beautifully off that little pump. And now you're coming down to this circle area at 47 cents. And that'll happen very quickly if the buyers or the bulls don't come in now. You're going to have a 21% flash crash in XRP down to 47 cents. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace and love.